Oscar.
Yes.
Which ne medo bedo maliet ka. No ko kango kino wiye kamaro kanyo apani kama mule wach mara ipoa gi weche mag chudo. Angno owach mano. Ini wun kama intiere ne gi lenses magi mag governance.
Yes.
Keni into koringiyo gangoch mane kange.
Nyalo kwa
kange mo wacho kinda angolo kola kena ngucha ta keno kango do keno ngucha tiango se ngochango. But anyway, what gumokango wacho kod gima oyo wacho. Two different completely different. Nako kango ni gicha ber kabisa. To yoto wacho ni gini rat kabisa. But truth of the matter and kingiyo kama owuki kama chope. And for example, issue mokango wacho issue mar compensation. Issue mar compensation, you know, the Kenya Human Rights Commission go look at report every year. Mar human rights. Keep penjo gima 2017, 2018, 2016. These things happen to again go report go Kanyamani TJ Human Rights Commission. Okay, for the first time, again give me serikali ngiyo ni intention. Intention mas serikali bear. For example, serikali nikolo nyochu yebu uwoyo ni report magedi rely on and Kenya Human Rights Commission. Tingima bear serikali kapok nito waketo broad-based government. Serikali ne pinga pinganya kakata Kenya Human Rights Commission. Masche Kenya yudo ki wacho na ni jiotho to serikali chono miriambu joko for that number. But now I think the behavior of government also change. Change nango. Coalitions all over the world. Coalitions kelo gumilongo ni paro mopogre e serikali. Yudo kakata na South Africa. For the first time, party milongo ni ANC. Oye botimo coalition gi DA, party maro wasonge. And ne kama tek but they had to form government. To government no milongo ni political stability. Aparo ni sistema jinsi no timre chande. There was lack of political stability in the country. To broad-based called that arrangement or sekelo mulongo na bit of political stability. Koro this 10-point agenda apparently to be kabochope okay probably 100%. But nyalo bet no gen kata 80 but 60% more to sebedo achieve. For example, issue ma compensation. Donge pesa erogo seguro. Yo wacho ni idi gine na idi poge pesa na negi go kwano nadi. O gima timore en ni kwanok go. Kose goal 2.2 billion to koro ipogo ji mantie. Ingene problem mabe ntie kata wach mag unemployment go. Okay, is a world problem wach mar unemployment. But pesa to onge. Seche moko ngene bende seche moko waketo serikal mateka ahinya gik moko mopogore. But the truth of the matter en ni Kenyans Nakawa look each other in the eye and say nigi ni bende ntiere kose onge pesa. For example, if you ask me a president makenya kawuono tangiso ni bwana parliament okonya bedo gi jimi ang'wen makenya ka sani we can't afford it. Hugeness of government mawantiere goni we can't afford it. That is the problem. So sometimes we go wangi our people in the eye. Issue mar kata na youth employment. Erogontire much affordable housing, not a program in Serikal and World Bank Mokelo program. To mdogi kila program gibende gitemo assist. Gome World Bank timoga gigo gingi yo penge shida mantire penge mangeny mopogore. Issue margins can okelo milongo youth revolution. To wan gimilongo youth bulge ni sani kijando bedo mangeny kabisa. Ma gingenya tambalo margi kendo moko dinene. Youth unemployment and a crisis we have to deal with it. Agenda from Kofi Annan chande be ne wacho ni wadilurugi youth unemployment. All governments do youth unemployment. Probably onego bed serikal timo gik moko radical. Awacho gag moro kae ni gima radical monego bed serikal beste moko timo. Ni loan moro mar Eurobond mare manene okaw gi previous government chande. Tiwacho no ko chopo ka. En kanye.
Money corruption, money
that money should be traced. Mondo yudni pesa cha emane bi create employment on all sectors. Ino loan ko kawo kaka mar Eurobond no. Jomatimo agriculture, jomatimo health, jomatimo gik mopogore. Pesa no so long as NKA. Ngai sa ni to koro mondo wa engineer because problem mantiere but mo mekora youth employment no ge. Iyo doka wa collect karibu 1 trillion. Ema serikal collect. Although wan ko budget ma 4 trillion. The 1 trillion ni loan michulo and almost 850 billion. So cover mean 150 billion. Not so much we can do with that money.
All right.
Kono okonyati mu gobangani ke pesa makaponi why do political goodwill, political stability, mondo gik mabe wacho gi mondo timore. Issue moka ngo wacho mar SHA, very good idea. We had 7 million. Yokman in NHIF. SHA almost registered again 29 million. So people who are not part and parcel of government health program, almost 21 million, 21 to 2 million. But again, the idea Marisha was not just Nimondo you register Jimang. The idea Marisha was Nimondo facilities obeyed improved. So we are looking at a situation where hospital Masenya Lobet called MRI, for example. Korokatagma wachogani 15% Kioro counties. Matimutis counties. Tiwenaka health kanyo. Ngene one called 3 for very important ministries.
Yes.
Agriculture, health, security, called education. Koro health as agwengo. Kid devolve a chill kum, get a hino gitchen, get a kijal nisa, Nioma Bay. Health is not working. Mombasa health is not working. Nairobi health is not working. The occasional best governors got the health of Emnane pesa mo you do 15% chande. Kaponi keto pen kacho nego wa med e wachi makara 10 point ajerinya paro kata mar jongo no wacho. Ni beto bernde kendo we are happy with the evolution. But we must ask for more. Make it better.
Right.
Nika ka intiri onego mede gik moko. For example, mo kwayo ni issue mar health devolve more money or just back help to the national
Gimoro chwako kango ka. Say chwake o kango enangoma
even job but
yes.